So do you also use LinkedIn to get more leads for your own business? Then this video is very helpful for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video we are going to understand how to automatically add LinkedIn ads leads to Zoho CRM. So like you, I also use LinkedIn to get more leads for my own business. And now what I want is that as soon as we receive a new lead from LinkedIn, I want to add the lead details into my Zoho CRM so that my sales team can follow up quickly and efficiently. So to do this, we are going to create a connection between LinkedIn and Zoho CRM, and we are going to create this connection without knowing any programming or coding language using an amazing automation software which is Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to create this amazing automation for your own business, then for that you have to come with me towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So let's begin and create a connection between LinkedIn ads and Zoho CRM. So to do this, I'm going to put a new tab and search for the landing page of Pabbly Connect by tapping pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And now it is opening the landing page of Pabbly Connect, using which we are going to create this connection. But before we move on further and create this connection, I'll show you something very helpful. This is the Pabbly community where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. Pabbly community is a platform where users share their ideas, workflow tips, doubts and solutions. So if you're stuck at any step, the community is a great resource for guidance. And if you also want to join this amazing community, the link is given in the description box below. You can check it out and join the community today. So let's head back towards the landing page of Pabbly Connect, and right now our Ganesh Chaturthi sale is going on. So if you wish to purchase Pabbly Connect for a one-time price, today is a great day. You can claim this discount offer right now before it's gone. So now without wasting any more time, let's create this automation. For that, we have two options on the landing page of Pabbly Connect. One is sign in and the other one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you can click on this sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore the application. But over here, I am an existing user, so I'm going to click on this sign in right over here to sign in my Pabbly Connect's account. And now it is opening all Pabbly apps, and over going to see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video, we are going to use Pabbly Connect because we are connecting different applications. So let's click on this access now right over here to access our Pabbly Connect's account. And once we click on this access now, it is going to open the dashboard of my Pabbly Connect's account. And to get started, we have to click on this button which says create workflow. And now it is asking me to select the workflow builder, the new one or the classic one. So the new workflow builder is faster, flexible and ideal for those who want a modern interface, while the classic one on the other hand is stable, has a familiar approach and ideal for those who want to try it and test it setup. So you can use any one from this. I'm going to use this new one, so let's go towards the select of the new one. Now for the workflow name, I'm going to enter the name of my workflow, which is automatically add LinkedIn ads leads to Zoho CRM. For the folder, I'm going to select my folder which is automations, and if you also want to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you can go towards this create new folder button and create your own and save your workflows in that folder. After entering the workflow name and selecting the folder, we have to click on this button which says create, and once we click on this create, it is going to open the most important window of our automation, which is our workflow window. So this is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button, and now for the trigger application, we have to search for LinkedIn and select LinkedIn. For the trigger event, we have to keep it as lead notifications and click on this connect. Now in order to create a connection between LinkedIn and Pabbly Connect, we have two options: add a new connection or select an existing connection. So if I've already created a connection between LinkedIn and Pabbly Connect, you can click on this select an existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, you have to follow me, click on add a new connection, and now we have to click on this connect with LinkedIn. And once we click on this connect with LinkedIn, going to see it is going to ask me for my account credentials. So let's enter the account credentials, and now we have to click on this sign in. And once we click on this sign in, our LinkedIn account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. So easy, right? Now let's move on further. We have to select the sponsored account and click on this save and send test request. And once we click on this save and send test request, it is saying waiting for webhook response. And in order to capture this webhook response, we have to do a test submission. And how are we going to do that test submission? For that, we have to open our LinkedIn, and as you can see that this is the campaign which I am using, and this is a test campaign. Not only this, you're going to see that this is the ad which I'm running on LinkedIn, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this apply now, and I'm going to fill in this lead form. So as you can see that most of the details have already been entered, like the first name, last name and company name, because I am using a test campaign, or you can see my campaign is in draft mode. So that's the reason that I'm only getting the options to fill in the email address and the phone number. But if your campaign is in not draft mode or your campaign is in live mode, your leads are definitely going to fill in the rest of the details too. Now let's enter the email address and now the phone number and move on further and click on this submit. And once we click on this submit, it is saying information sent to Pabbly. Alright, so let's open our workflow, and now Pabbly is going to capture the response of the same test submission which we made right now. So we just have to wait for a few seconds till Pabbly is capturing the response. Now you can see that we have successfully captured the webhook response. You're going to see all the details, be it the email, the phone number, the first name, last name or the company name. All the details are exactly the same which we entered during our test submission. So yes, with this we have successfully completed our LinkedIn, which is our trigger step. But over here, once again, I'll just let you know that I have received these test details like the company name, last name and first name because my campaign is in draft mode. But if your campaign is in live mode, you're definitely going to receive the live details of your real leads. Alright, so now let's click on this add new action step, and now for the action application, we have to select it as Zoho CRM because we want to add the lead details into our Zoho CRM. So let's search for it and select it. For the event, we have to select it as create contact and click on this connect. Now in order to create a connection, we have two options: add a new connection or select an existing connection. So if you've already created this connection like LinkedIn, you can go to its the select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, you have to follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Zoho CRM. And now it is asking me for the domain, and from where we're going to get this domain. For that, you have to open your Zoho CRM, go to its the URL given, and over here you're going to find the domain in the URL only. After this, https://crm dot and before /crm is your domain. So you have to copy this domain and paste it right over here. For me, the domain is zoho.in. For you, it can be anything from below. And once you paste the domain, you have to click on this save. And once you click on this save, Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. So what you have to do is you have to click on this accept and give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for, because your data is 100% safe with us. No need to worry. And now with this, we have created a connection between Zoho CRM and Pabbly Connect. Now let's select the lead source as advertisement. Over here, you can select any another of your choice too. One by one, I'm going to enter all of these details which are required, or the details which I wish to enter, and create a new lead in Zoho CRM. But over here, we are not going to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead we're going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So as I've already mentioned, I'm only going to map the details which are required. So as you can see, this last name and email is required because it has stars in front of that. But this first name and the phone number were the details which I had of my lead, so I've simply mapped it. If you wish, you can definitely ignore these two, or if you wish, you can definitely map the rest of the details too, which I have ignored. You just have to keep in mind about the required fields which are mandatory. So yes, now after entering the details which were required, we have to click on this save and send test request. And once we click on this save and send test request, we have received the positive response that we have successfully created a new contact in Zoho CRM. So let's open our Zoho CRM and we're going to refresh this contacts page. And once we refresh this, you're going to see a new contact has been created and the details of the new contact. You're going to see the contact name, the email address and the phone number. And these details are exactly the same details which we entered during our test submission while creating a test lead. And yes, we have successfully created a new contact using these same details. And now whenever we are going to receive a new lead from LinkedIn, automatically a new contact will be created in my Zoho CRM. All of this is going to happen in backend. We don't have to come back and again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. And for your reference, I'll simply attach the workflow link in the description box below. You can check my workflow and create this amazing automation for your own business too. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.